In the fast-evolving world of digital transformation, every organization needs a wide area network that can keep its users, devices, and applications working and secure. But in our changing world of remote and hybrid workplaces, distributed applications, that's a lot easier said than done. With employees working from everywhere, keeping data secure at the edge and devices working properly is no easy task, especially for those still operating on a WAN that has become too costly, complex, and inefficient to operate. That's where ISSQUARED, a Fortinet partner, and Fortinet Secure SD-WAN solution can help. It's one WAN Edge solution, powered by one operating system. Our industry-leading, organically developed SD-WAN solution delivers enterprise protection and a superior user experience at the edge. Whether you have 50 sites or 5,000 sites, this secure, centrally managed platform will allow you to scale and manage everything from a single pane of glass. It also provides the visibility, analytics, and orchestration you need across your entire network and security stack. To learn more, contact Fortinet partner ISSQUARED today.